Bye bye Gaurav. Bye. अरे रुको फोटो. Welcome you all friends. If you like what you see, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all notifications. There has been a good news from the family and for that we have to travel to Mumbai. And ये मुंबई जाने का प्लान पूरी फैमिली के साथ हुआ है. अब मुंबई जाए कैसे जाए? There were options like we have to take a flight, or there were options like I can do a drive down to Mumbai, or there was an option to take a bus to go to Mumbai. But I felt that it would be a best option to go by a train, because train se we have not traveled for like 10-12 years. That's what I remember. And within the family there are a lot of people, my nephew and all, they have not traveled by a train. So we thought that it would be a good opportunity to go to Mumbai via train from Bangalore. So yeah, this vlog would be all about that. Welcome back to my channel guys. Let's go to Mumbai via train. We are at Bangalore Cant station and Swachh Bharat, it seems it is working here. If you can see the sign behind me, 500 fine, and we have to keep it very clean. I'll just do a focus here, if you can see. And overall the station is pretty clean. We still have those stray dogs, but otherwise I felt that it is pretty clean. Slowly and steadily we'll definitely achieve the Swachh Bharat mission. If you want to see the track also is kind of clean. So I think it's job well done. So सब कुछ set है. We've got the place, the beds, the bed sheets, blankets and everything is all up to date. It is kind of clean, not to worry. We've got our place set up. Dinner का हो चुकी है. Dinner is done. Match का option भी चल रहा है. India and Bangladesh Asia Cup, they are playing. The match is on, as you can see here, and all set now. I think we are now ready to go to sleep. It is 10:30 now. 8 now. We are all set. I think we'll close the day out and see you tomorrow. Bye.
Oh yeah, bring you up. Yeah, come on.
भारत अभियान चल रहा है and now we are in train. So स्वच्छता का जायजा लिया जाए. All important toilet. So we have reached Gulbarga station, and I am now seeing that the station name would be changed to Kalburgi. I don't know what is the reason behind it, but Yeah, that's what the plan is. If you can see, Gulbarga station, old name, and the new name is here. Kalburgi. It is 9:25 at this point in time, and we are at Kalburgi station. Train is running okay. It is not that super fast a train, but kind of okay. There's one thing that I found is that the third AC seats are not that wider a seat. It is kind of very narrow. So I think this is a feedback. I don't know who all are viewing this video, but I think there's a need for the seats to be a bit broader. The narrower seat doesn't help. So if at all anyone can help, if Government of India, Railway, if you are listening to it, if anything can be done. I think the train is moving. I'll move out now. Okay, so this is how it is. People from train cleaning department have come and they are clearing all the garbages. Nice work. पोछा लगाएगा. They are cleaning the trains. See. जो ये पोछा है वो भी साफ है. पोछा भी साफ, फ्लोर भी साफ, ट्रेन भी साफ. One of the amazing thing that Indian Railway is doing is they are taking the feedback from all the passengers. This person has come to take the feedback about the cleanliness that has been done, and we have provided our feedback. So great job done. Thank you. We are approaching Pune. It is 4:30 right now. Everything is fine, but there was one miss from my side that I didn't felt like that would be a missing thing. This train doesn't have a pantry car, and without that it is kind of very difficult to get some snacks and tea in regular intervals of time. There are some kids traveling with me, and I felt that is something I should have looked at, but I never thought of that there would be no pantry car. But I think never mind. I think in Pune we'll refill all our stocks, and from Pune the journey would also be very interesting because you will be crossing through Lonavala and Khandala, and yeah, so I think apart from that one thing, everything is fine. In Pune I'm expecting some friends of mine to come for whatever time the train stops. I'll be getting a chance to meet them. So yeah, let's keep watching guys. Everything is all okay. आ चुके हैं. बहुत दिन बाद मिले भाई. रवि का
रवि का साला वो गाड़ी में है.
आएगा,
निकल जाएगी तब ट्रेन.
ठीक है, कोई नहीं. 5 मिनट बोल दे. और बताओ क्या हाल चाल है. हम लोग बहुत दिन बाद मिले हैं. वी आर फ्रेंड्स फ्रॉम लास्ट आई थिंक फ्रॉम 5th स्टैंडर्ड. 5th स्टैंडर्ड. 20-25 साल हो गए. अब एज मत पूछना.
बाय बाय गौरव.
आ गए तुम जल्दी. थोड़ा बहुत लेट हो गया कि चलेगा. भेजेंगे. ये देखिए, पुणे में पुणे दर्शन बस भी चलता है. So finally met my friend in Pune. It was for short duration, but yes, I could meet Ravi and Gaurav. Gaurav has got a lot of goodies here, and thanks to him My nephews are all very excited. They're having chocolates and snacks which they were missing for last 3-4 hours. So thanks to Gaurav. Abhi, I'll have to make a Pune trip specially to meet all my friends. That would be planned sometime soon. So I think it would take now 3-4 hours for us to reach Kalyan, and we are delayed by 1 hour, I think. So far so good. We are at Khandala at this point in time. It will take 2 hours for us to reach Kalyan. I think 2 hours, not more than that. Train has started running. And I boarded. So finally we have reached Kalyan. We have reached with all things intact and everything is in place. So we'll head down to our home, my brother's place, and then take it from there. So we reached Kalyan 1 hour back. I quickly freshened up because of the humid weather. Coming from Bangalore is kind of difficult on us who travels to Mumbai in this humid and hot weather for us Bangalorean. Anyways, the trip was superb. We really enjoyed the train journey from Bangalore to Kalyan. Everything was up to the mark except for the fact that we couldn't get the snacks on time because of pantry not there in Udyan Express. So great, I really enjoyed it. Kids also enjoyed. I could meet my friends. Gaurav and Ravi came. Gaurav came with a lot of goodies, and we really felt good after that. Lot of chunking, munking. So yeah, it was really an awesome trip with family. The plan is that I'll be here in Mumbai for 3-4 days for the family gathering, as I talked about, and after that I'll be going back to Bangalore. So yeah, that's about it. The trip has come to an end at this point in time when I close this out. So if you have liked the content, please do like, share and comment on this vlog. And please do subscribe. It gives a certain kind of assurance that people are liking your content. So please do subscribe. Thank you for all the support, and until next time, bye bye, good night, enjoy.